Let's be real, we all love a little extra cash. And what if I told you that you could earn while shopping on Amazon? No, it's not about writing fake reviews. We're talking about honest, helpful feedback. Think of it as sharing your experience and getting rewarded for it. Many people are earning a good side income just by reviewing products on Amazon. Companies want real feedback on their products, and they're willing to pay for it. So, are you ready to turn your shopping into a source of income? Before we jump into the how-to, let's address the elephant in the room. Is earning through Amazon reviews even legal? The short answer is yes, but only if you do it right. There are legitimate ways to earn, and then there are shady practices that can get you banned. The key is transparency. Always disclose if you received a product for free or at a discounted price. Amazon has clear guidelines, and it's crucial to follow them. This trust translates into credibility and more opportunities for you to earn. So, how do you earn legitimately? Stay tuned to learn how you can start earning through Amazon reviews the right way. One of the most coveted ways to earn through Amazon reviews is by becoming an Amazon Vine reviewer. Think of it as an exclusive club for trusted reviewers. Vine members receive free products from vendors looking for impartial feedback. Getting into the program isn't a walk in the park. Amazon handpicks reviewers based on their reviewer rank, which is determined by the helpfulness and quality of their past reviews. So, if you're just starting, focus on building a solid reputation as a reviewer. Once you're in, the perks are pretty sweet. You get access to a curated selection of products across various categories. From the latest tech gadgets to trendy fashion items, Vine reviewers get a first look at some of the hottest products on Amazon. The best part? You get to keep everything you review. Yes, you read that right. It's like a treasure chest of freebies delivered right to your doorstep. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Vine reviewers are held to high standards, and your reviews should be detailed, insightful, and unbiased. It's a fantastic opportunity to earn rewards and make your voice heard in the Amazon community. If you're active on social media and love sharing your shopping finds, becoming an Amazon influencer might be your path to earning. As an influencer, you leverage your online presence to promote products and earn commissions on qualifying purchases made through your unique affiliate links. Building a following takes time and effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Start by creating engaging content around your niche. Whether it's beauty, tech, or anything in between, showcase your personality and expertise. Be authentic, interact with your followers, and most importantly, recommend products you genuinely believe in. Amazon offers a dedicated influencer program with tools and resources to help you succeed. You'll get access to your own storefront, customizable widgets, and detailed analytics to track your performance. As your influence grows, so does your earning potential. It's a fantastic way to monetize your passion, connect with your audience, and become a trusted voice in the Amazon ecosystem. Section 5. Early Bird gets the worm hunt for new releases. You don't have to be an Amazon Vine member or a social media influencer to start earning through reviews. One of the simplest strategies is to focus on reviewing new releases. Companies are eager to generate buzz around their latest products and are often willing to offer incentives for early reviews. Keep an eye out for early reviewer program badges on product pages. These programs offer small rewards, like gift cards, in exchange for your honest feedback. It's a win-win situation for both you and the seller. You get to try out new products at a discounted price or even for free, and the seller gets valuable early reviews to boost their product's visibility. Focus on products within your niche or areas of interest. This way, you'll be more knowledgeable and passionate about the products you're reviewing, leading to more helpful and engaging reviews. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Don't just churn out reviews for the sake of it. Instead, focus on providing valuable insights that will help other shoppers make informed decisions. Section 6. Honesty is the best policy. Write authentic reviews. No matter which path you choose to earn through Amazon reviews, one principle remains constant. Honesty is paramount. Authenticity is the cornerstone of a trustworthy review. Shoppers rely on reviews to make informed purchasing decisions, and your feedback can significantly impact their choices. Before you start writing, ask yourself, would this review be helpful to someone considering this product? Put yourself in the shoes of a potential buyer and think about the information they would find valuable. Highlight both the pros and cons of the product. No product is perfect, and acknowledging the drawbacks makes your review more balanced and believable. Share your personal experience with the product. How did it perform? Did it meet your expectations? Would you recommend it to others? These personal anecdotes make your review more relatable and engaging. Remember, your goal is to provide helpful, insightful, and unbiased feedback. Avoid exaggerating or fabricating your experience. Genuine reviews build trust and credibility, which are essential for long-term success in the world of Amazon reviews. Section 7. Quality over quantity. Craft reviews that matter. In the realm of Amazon reviews, quality reigns supreme over quantity. It's not about churning out as many reviews as possible, but rather about crafting thoughtful, well-written reviews that resonate with readers. A single, insightful review can carry more weight than a dozen generic ones. Take your time and craft your reviews with care. Use proper grammar and spelling, and structure your thoughts logically. A well-written review is easier to read and understand, making it more likely for readers to find it helpful. Provide specific details and examples to support your points. Instead of simply saying a product is great, explain why you think so. What features did you like? How did it perform in different situations? The more specific you are, the more credible your review becomes. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into your writing. Let your voice shine through and make your reviews engaging and enjoyable to read. A little humor or a relatable anecdote can go a long way in capturing the reader's attention. Remember, a well-crafted review is an asset to both you and the Amazon community. Section 8. The power of pictures and videos. Enhance your reviews. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and a video even more so. Enhance your Amazon reviews by incorporating visuals. Images and videos can significantly increase the value and impact of your reviews, making them more engaging and informative for potential buyers. Showcase the product in action. Capture photos or videos of yourself using the product, highlighting its features and benefits. For instance, if you're reviewing a kitchen appliance, show it in use, demonstrating its functionality and ease of use. Provide close-up shots to highlight details. Zoom in on specific features, textures, or any unique aspects of the product that might be of interest to potential buyers. This helps them get a better understanding of the product's design and quality. Get creative with your visuals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles, lighting, and compositions to make your images and videos stand out. A visually appealing review is more likely to grab attention and keep readers engaged. Remember, visuals can make a world of difference in conveying your message effectively and leaving a lasting impression on potential buyers. Section 9. Stay informed. Amazon's review guidelines. Navigating the world of Amazon reviews requires staying informed about the platform's ever-evolving guidelines. Amazon is stringent about maintaining the integrity of its review system, and violating these guidelines can lead to penalties, including account suspension. Familiarize yourself with the do's and don'ts of writing reviews. Amazon provides comprehensive guidelines that outline acceptable and unacceptable practices. For instance, you cannot review your own products or products sold by competitors. Avoid promotional content and conflicts of interest. Your reviews should be unbiased and objective. Refrain from promoting external websites, offering personal contact information, or engaging in any form of self-promotion within your reviews. Stay updated on any changes to the guidelines. Amazon regularly updates its policies, so make it a habit to check for any revisions or updates to ensure you're always in compliance. By adhering to Amazon's guidelines, you contribute to a fair and trustworthy review ecosystem, benefiting both buyers and sellers alike. Section 10. Your journey to earnings start today. Earning through Amazon reviews is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a genuine passion for sharing your experiences to build a reputation as a trusted reviewer. But with the right approach and a commitment to honesty and quality, you can turn your shopping habits into a rewarding side hustle. Start by focusing on products you're genuinely interested in. Whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or anything in between, choose a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise. This will make the review process more enjoyable and allow you to provide more valuable insights. Engage with the Amazon community. Take the time to read other reviews, upvote helpful ones, and leave thoughtful comments. Building relationships with fellow shoppers can enhance your visibility and credibility within the community. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Building a reputation as a trusted reviewer takes time and consistency. Keep writing quality reviews, engage with the community, and the opportunities will follow. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start today and embark on your path to earning through Amazon reviews.